Good evening, ladies, gentlemen.
What's up?
We're here at Strike Zone or E-Zone tonight, apparently is what it's called. We're at the E-Zone.
No, baby, it's the Strike Zone.
That definitely says E-Zone.
No, but that's not.
We're at the E-Zone. And you see it looks extremely crowded, although there are a lot of cars out here. But we're going to see if we can get in for mini golf and cosmic bowling. I'm not sure if there's a wait list or what the crowd is going to be like, but yeah, this is where we are.
That crowd just parked and I guess they went inside, but now they're going back to their cars. So I wonder what's going on.
And we will see and let you know. All right, so good news. The cosmic bowling has already started. And they have like a blacklit mini golf course. So we're gonna get food first. Flamingo Legs says she's hungry.
Yeah, I'm really hungry. And so they did start the Cosmo bowling. Just in case if you guys don't know what that is, it's when they turn off the lights, they put like strobe lights and play music and things like that. So they initially told us that it was gonna start at 10, right? It was 10 o'clock. But they've started it and we're here at what, like 7?
It is 8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock. Okay, so I'm hungry. I'm about to go get something to eat. And then after that, we'll go and play putt-putt. And it's like this, like glow in the dark type like vibe, which is cool. So yeah, we'll catch you guys soon. And yay, I'm excited. Okay, you guys, so food is temporarily closed.
The snack bar is closed because they're so far behind on orders. But somebody said that they can't play or win on an empty stomach. So now we have to go get food, then come all the way back.
No, it doesn't have to be all the way back. So there's a Waffle House right there.
A Waffle House?
Yeah, that's not Waffle House?
I'm just saying, you want to go to Waffle House?
No, but I'm just saying, like, there should be something around here.
We can just go to the gas station.
No, I want food, baby.
Okay. Well, we're going to get food from somewhere.
Okay, you guys, so we came across the way. There's a restaurant called Willie Jewell's Old School Barbecue. We haven't had a taste of anything, but so far it smells absolutely amazing in here. And we ordered platters. So they have like platter specials. I got the chicken, smoked chicken with a side of corn. And Lance, go ahead, baby. What did you order?
I got a 2-meat platter with ribs and beef brisket and macaroni and cheese. And it comes with toast. The platters.
Yes. So it comes with, it's served with toast with
garlic toast.
Yeah. What does it say? Served with, yep. So it's garlic toast.
Not that you can see this, but yeah.
Yeah, so he said it doesn't take long for the food to come out, so we should be reviewing this shortly.
Okay, the food has arrived and Flamingo Legs is doing the flamingo dance. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is a spicy.
Okay.
This is a mustard base.
Mustard base.
Sweet.
Okay.
And a hickory.
All right, thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, so
It's your chicken and your corn.
yep, corn. So far I've had just the grape juice. Their grape juice is absolutely phenomenal.
She said it tastes
really
like
good.
wine.
I'm saying, for real.
I wouldn't know.
But it's really good. It's really good. And then, baby, what about you?
And my macaroni and cheese, which looks kind of like, But the ribs and the beef, they look like they could be pretty good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so how does your chicken taste? Come on. She'll say she needs time to process it.
It's good.
Uh-huh.
It is.
On a scale of -100 to +20, what would you give it?
I'd say maybe let me eat first.
She's trying all the different sauces now.
Yeah. So this is supposed to be spicy, which I did like. This one has a kick to it too. Actually, this is more spicy than this. There's a hickory sauce, and then this is like a mustard-based sauce, which if you really like mustard, this would be a good one. But this is not really my favorite. But so far, these two, I'd say, are really good.
Okay, so Flamingo Legs are saving her corn for dessert, clearly.
My first impression when opening it was that it was very golden, right? So it looks great.
How does it taste?
Well, I haven't tasted it yet.
All right, take the first bite. Come on, we have mini golf and bowling to do. Yes.
Okay. Stay tuned.
You just said stay tuned.
Baby. Okay, so we are. Lance's phone just fell. You okay? So we are leaving the Willie Jewell's barbecue spot, and the food was really, really good. I had chicken. I had a smoked chicken, which was very soft. Do you want to like get into? All right, so we're moving
stop in the dark
into the light, you guys. But yeah, so it's a little it's a little better. All right, so yeah, I had the chicken. I had the smoked chicken, which was good. I would say that it was very soft, very tender.
She sounds just like Chris.
I mean, it could have used like just a little bit of more like seasoning.
Okay.
But overall, like the experience was wonderful. Great customer service. The food came out quickly.
How many stars?
I'd say about 5. I'd say a 5 out of 5. Our experience was really good.
Okay. My food was good. I had the 2-meat platter, the brisket, and the ribs. I give it 4.5, maybe, just because I had a side of macaroni and cheese, and it, wasn't like the kind that I'm used to, the cheesy, well flavored. But it was fine. So I give it 4.5. But definitely recommend this restaurant to anybody who comes through the Brunswick area.
Yep.
And they actually have a location in Yulee, which is near Jacksonville. So if you're ever down in that area, check it out. Same owner and everything. Different cooks, obviously, but I'm sure that one is pretty good too.
Okay.
All right, now we're off to play mini golf and to bowl.
Yay! All right, see you guys soon. So we just saw a cat, and Lance had cat food in his car, so we put food out for him, and he's eating it. Look how cute. I can't do a close-up, baby. Can you do a close-up on it? Not too much of a close-up, please.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
Come back. It ran away.
It'll be back for the food.
All right.